Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the principal characteristic group to determine the parent chain ring name. The compound contains 3 substituents on a benzene ring, O, hydroxyl, CN, cyanonitrile, and Br, bromo. In IUPAC nomenclature, the principal characteristic group determines the suffix. CN, nitrile, has higher seniority than O as a suffix group when named as benzonitrile. Therefore, the compound is named as a benzonitrile. Moving on to the next step. Number the ring with CN as C1. The carbon bearing the principal characteristic group gets the lowest locant. The carbon bearing CN is C1. Looking at the structure, CN is at the bottom right, Br is at the bottom adjacent to CN, and O is at the top, para to Br. Moving on to the next step. Assign locants to substituents. With CN carbon as C1. CN is at C1, part of the name benzonitrile, no locant needed. Br is adjacent to CN, so Br is at C2. O is para to Br, meaning O is at C5, counting from C1, C1 is equal to CN, C2 is equal to Br, C3 is equal to H, C4 is equal to H, C5 is equal to O, C6 is equal to H. And for the final step, verify numbering gives lowest locants. Numbering gives Br at 2 and O at 5, yielding locants 2, 5. The alternative direction would give Br at 6 and O at 3, yielding 3, 6. Comparing sets 2, 5 versus 3, 6, 2, 5 is lower at first point of difference to 3, so numbering with Br is equal to 2 or is equal to 5 is correct. Construct the name. The name is 2-bromo 5-hydroxybenzonitrile. Why other options fail? A. 4-bromo 3-cyanophenol uses phenol as parent or as principal group and gives incorrect locants for this structure. C. 2-cyano 4-hydroxybromobenzene, incorrect parent name format, bromo cannot be the parent. D. 6-bromo 3-hydroxybenzonitrile uses the higher locant set 3, 6 instead of the correct lower set 2, 5. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.